it hasn't been even a week when we bought the goats, and we bought something else. We bought a puppy. We bought 4 little puppies. No, we bought chickens.
Evie.
Oh shit.
Show it to her already in the cage.
It's a chicken, Evie. It's a chicken. She's scared. She's scared. It's a chicken, Evie.
These guys can be pretty nasty.
Oh, it's pooping. Oh, it's pooping. It pooped.
It's been sitting in its poo-poo. Lucky it's not pushing out an egg. Maybe it's pushing out an egg. Never know.
Oh, just let them off?
Maybe, actually, no. They might need to be locked in, these guys.
Why?
Don't know how they will react. Because they might get paranoid of us and try to jump out. I don't want to go chase them around fields. I don't know, do we let them out?
I don't like chickens.
Open it.
I don't like chickens.
It's just a chicken.
I don't like chickens.
Just make sure they're not coming out.
I thought they were nice.
Them making noises, let them open.
I do so. I has a tail.
Open it and push it, lift the thing over. They are two dum-dums. Realize they need to go out.
Bobby, let me go out. Let me go out. I don't like that.
Okay.
I don't like chickens. I don't like fucking
Bobby, they're
chickens.
not fucking crazy animals or something. They're just a bit scared.
That's what you call a bit scared?
Yeah, that's what you call it. I pooped a lot. Come on. Don't slide, come! Oopsie, I'm cleaning that on my trousers. Oh no, I need to wash my trousers. There's poop. Come out. Okay, let's just close it and let them out go out on their own.
Okay.
There's poop.
The sun came up again? I can't believe it! I thought when I closed my eyes last night that was it!
So let's see if we have eggs this morning. First of all, we need to let out the goats. Good morning! Straight away to food. You ignoring me? You ignoring me. Okay, let's see if we have eggs. I was like, there's a red egg. That's an apple.
Don't see them sitting there. Oh jeez, this one is bitey. This one's a bitey one. It doesn't bite strong though. The white ones are scared the most. Where are you going?
Oh my god. Scary. Yes, what is wrong?
What the fuck's going on?
What? What?
What are you girls doing? Definitely not that one.
This doesn't see you really, I think. We got our first egg. It's 2:30 in the midday. They didn't lay anything in the morning. We got a bit disappointed, but we have our first egg. And I don't know where the other brown chicken is.
Why?
There's only one brown chicken.
Don't joke around here.
No, I don't see the other one.
You serious?
Where's the other one?
Where's the egg? Ah,
There's the egg. Look there.
there's 2 eggs.
2 eggs? Oh yeah, there's 2 eggs. But where's the brown chicken? How are we gonna get her out of there? Come out. Come out. No, 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 come here. No. No. Come out. Why did it even go there?
Go away so you don't scare it.
Oh.
Go.
Come.
They're really tiny eggies.
Yeah?
Oh my god, yeah, when they're tiny,
Show me.
give small eggies.
Show me.
It's what you would buy as a small egg. Hey, how do you eat the apple?
Show me. Oh, wait, I'm zoomed in.
They're
Are
nice
they
and
warm?
Yeah.
Oh, they're tiny! They're tiny eggies. They're really small. As you saw, we got chickens. That means we need to reinforce our fence. The now fence is with those sheefer, I don't know how they're called. Roofs. And the chickens and predators is more important for predators to come in. So we need to make it better. They've already started behind him. And, oh yeah, another problem was that one of the goats put her head between the 2 in the corner, pushed one of the roofs and put her head through. So she started crying super loud. And we need to just get rid of this one because it does not look nice. It was just a fast thing so we could get out the goats. Enough talking, let's go do it.
Go take it.
Stop it! Buddy, I cannot take when the chicken is running around.
Baba, she just thinks you're worms.
Chicken! No! Why is this chicken there now? Oh my god! Chickens!
Attack! Attack!
Look, yum yum! Chicken!
Take that one.
No, can you take the chicken away?
What do you want to do?
Put her in, lock her in. I cannot do that.
Wiggle it around. hand is dead.
You done though. The chicken is waiting for you.
Yeah, it's full of worms this month. I don't know if I can find them. Bravo. That's kind of warm, no?
Poor chicken.
Oh my god. The other ones are more smarter in a way. I don't have any. I don't have any. Oh, she's not resisting. Go away. Go away. She wants to go. Go. Oh, look, she lets me touch her. Don't eat the chicken.
That's how it looks. We're done. It took a long time for David to do all of that because he was shoveling, as you saw, and it took a lot. And he actually digged out clay, which makes it rock hard and super difficult for the predators to come in. Hopefully our chickens will be safe, and makes it much more beautiful. Like, there's no problem or no block of view or anything, and everyone will be safe, hopefully. Hope you enjoyed, and now I need to get the goats out from the car that we made them, which you're gonna see in the next video. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you.